my good time with Darren. Hi guys, today me gonna look at the deadly animals. But me gonna go to the easiest ones to the hardest ones. And right now, do you see why I'm have those? Because we're gonna make a fake book. Yeah, that's easy because you just need paper. You see, paper, normal paper, and just some markers. I'm having a box of markers, but don't be. It's just easy. You just need to bend this paper like this. Look. You see a little line right here? Right here, I'm gonna color black, but not black, but brown. I just say that's silly, yeah. And after that, me actually gonna hunt for some deadly animals. Me not can hunt for two-headed snakes or for albino growl snakes because those are really too rare. Yeah, you got it. You just need brown. You see, it's two sides, and just colored brown right here to make it like a book brown. And just make some brown right here. And just make some right here and down here. And it's already starting to look like a book. But now we need to make some words. How are books without words? We just need to make zigzag lines. When we do this, you see, I make a little line. Just make this. Then now let's make some words like zigzag. I need to fix this. Okay. Zigzag. In a little square. And I need to write some more. And after that, we need to just color some brown more right here. See, to not knock down the black. Okay. That just color like scribbles. You just need to do whatever you want. Like this is still fun like this, but because like this is much darker, like this is looking more like a book black, and you just color some more with the brown, and just color the rest of it with the brown. And just make this for extra. Okay, but it's gonna come out. But not this. Oh, and just take this. Yeah, this. This is the other side. This good? Actually, it's going to have great fantastic because this exactly looked like a book. But let's finish with the black one because in the black one we need to do this. The black because I'm color on the table, but you don't see it well. And just make the other side. This side is much better. Always use both sides. Can be for the closer, and this can be far. That's much better because like this is much easier because actually my mom is like recording, but let's clip this side and just keep using the side with the small because like this is much better. The small is much better. And this looks more like a book. Yeah, it's starting to look like a book now, but we need to add some more brown because brown is the color what books have most. Let's leave it for now because this book is actually represented by me. No, it's actually made by me. You see it. It's doing this and me doing some job right now. So let's take the I love to color because look at this picture. Like, oh my gosh. You see this one? I'm making by myself, surprisingly. This one's so good. But you see this is just an accident. Don't care about it. Just ignore it. Okay, almost here. Oh, good. Close the black marker. You don't need more. You need more of brown. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now, okay. You almost finished our fake book. And not say fake book for a while. Yeah. Our fake book is actually really great, coming out really great. And actually in part 2, we're gonna hunt for some animals. And part 2 is gonna be right today. After this, you see this. When you see me go outside, this is gonna be part 2, and me gonna definitely